Wow. Yeah, they kicked me out. I'm still a G at heart. If you ain't watched my last video, go watch that. Cause this video don't even make sense if you didn't. So this is how my day started. I'm chilling, posted, lounging, taking in the beautifulness of the sun. Feet was quivering nice. Decided to dope my way inside to grab me a little what? A hand washing, COVID free, so I could snack on a little midday snack, Nilla wafers. Boat. After that, pulled me up a drink so I could dope my way back outside and sit poolside by the beautiful scenery that I'm blessed to be sitting by right now. Took me a nice little drink, throw it down. It's your boy Ocie back at it with another video per usual. Doped my way back inside, saw my uncle knocked out, gone. Must have had a long night. Went on my adventure upstairs, so I grabbed my trunks, take me a little midday dip in the pool. Told my sister, hit a backflip. Boo, she hit one. Cuz hit one. Boop, he hit one too. So my sister like, I can hit a front flip. Outdoing my cousin. Took forever. Bow, came back up. I said, hey, to my little sister friend, hey, you might as well hit this too. Whoop, she hit it perfect, like a professional or something. So you know me, I jerk, splish into the water, big splash, shake my hair, dope, swim my way to shore. So like 30 minutes later, some MJ start playing. I get to dance. Hey, Billie Jean is not my lover. She just a girl with my heart having fun. But the Janet, not my son. She says I am the one. The Janet, not my son. Ooh. Cousin snatched my phone on the way inside. I'm straight facing her. What you doing that for? She, give it back. Shoot, I put my phone back down. Do what I was originally about to do. Eat some salmon, chefed up by my cousin, Chef Boyardee style. Some fresh salmon. It was gooder than a mug. Pointed, chomp, chomp, thumbs up. What you talking about? Go back down the stairs. So, about to take a late night dip in the pool. This time they got the lights on. I'm feeling explosive. Don't. Open the door. Light show is on. There go my dad sitting there, so I hand him the phone, tell him record this. Figured I'd do it big before I. Shoot, I gotta lead him out. This ain't even really my crib.
Give me the camera. This ain't your pool.
Bro, what you mean, bro?
This isn't your pool. Like, we rented this house for a week.
Bro, give me the camera.
Nah. Say sorry.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Say sorry.
Bro. Wow. Yeah, they kicked me out. I'm still a G at heart. You can be a G too. Guess what? If you subscribe. Ocie Live, it's lit over here. Yeah, baby, yeah.